Hello all. Today we're going to look at a cross-platform application that I have developed as part of my academic assignment. This application is developed using Flutter that is powering the front end, and I'm using back4app to power the back end of the application. We are going to have a quick demo of the application now. I've used Flutter and command to run it locally in the terminal, and it launched in the Microsoft Edge, and the local running URL I provided in a PhoneView extension. This is a lightweight extension in VS Code, which can simulate different kind of mobiles here. So yeah, I am selecting Samsung Galaxy S5 or Moto G4, and I gave the URL. When we hit the set, it will open our application. Yeah, so we have login page and sign up page. If you are using the application for the first time, we can go to the sign up page and create a user here. If you already have an account, we can come here and log in with the existing details. Let's try to create a new user. Um, yeah. Okay, when the all fields are not entered, I've added error validation here. We need to provide all the fields here. And I'm giving some password. Yeah. So once we provide the details and hit the sign up, the account will be created successfully. Or if we already have an account into the application, we can use those details to log in. For example, I already created an account for myself earlier. I'll use the same details to log in now. It should show up the task that I've created earlier. One of the tasks that I already had in the application was prepare for exams. This application supports CRUD functionalities, create, read, update, and delete. We can add a new task by using this plus icon at the end here. It asks for a task name. Let's say I'm adding one task name here, and let's say the due date I'm adding as 4. By tomorrow, I should take out the printout, and I'm adding the task here. It should show up here. Okay, and let's say this application also supports checkbox functionality that will tell us whether the task is completed or not. For example, my preparation for the exam is done. Now the only task remaining is to take printout of the materials. So this task is updated here and it is saved into the database. And when we log in to the application next time, it will be shown here. Let's say take printout of materials for exams, right? I'm editing this task here. Instead of exams, I'll put examination. Just making some small change. Instead of 4th, I'll make it as 5th. And I'm saving the details. It will be updated here. And this is a button that we can use to log out from the application. Now I'll try to log in again. Yeah, the checkbox that I earlier checked in for prepare for exams is already checked by default. All these details are updated into the database in real time using the back4app APIs. Yeah, and let's say if you want to delete a task, we can delete the task as well with this delete button functionality. All the data we can check in this tables as well in the back4 application. See here, we can look at the details all that we added. Take printout of materials for examination. We can try to add a new one here. Okay, I've added a new one. And when I refresh the database, we can see a new task will be updated and the task status is false now. I mark the task status as true there, which means it is done and it will be updated in the database. Yeah. And I'm logging out from the application. Yeah. Thank you, everyone.